At ChildFriendly, we understand the importance of professional and streamlined communication between caregivers and families. That's why we've developed a childcare parent app, specifically tailored to enhance the parent experience. From the app, parents have access to a wealth of information at their fingertips. They can easily see all their children and the programs they're enrolled in with just a glance. Parents can view attendance logs and conveniently track their child's current location within the center. No more frustration at pickup time. A quick glimpse at the app guides them to the right place. In addition to tracking attendance, parents can view financial records, print tax receipts, and make payments directly from the app. Updating banking information and personal profiles is a breeze, ensuring the records are always up to date. When parents update information, it enters a pending state in the ChildFriendly administration dashboard for approval, keeping caregivers informed at every change. But that's not all. From the parent portal, parents can conveniently send messages to the center and access important documents. And perhaps what parents love most is the daily journal feed, where they can view photos, weekly plans, attendance entries, and more about their children throughout their days, providing a comprehensive window into their child's experiences. Experience the convenience and peace of mind of the ChildFriendly Parent app, keeping your families connected with their daycare experience like never before.